Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through how to make a delicious homemade Cajun spiced mayonnaise. It's a perfect summertime treat to throw on sandwiches, rock out some tuna or potato salad with it, you name it. It's spicy and delicious. So let me show you how to make it. Round up a glass bowl or container, a 2-cup measuring cup, it works really well. Add 1 egg, and if you like to use pasteurized eggs, go for it. That's the great thing about making homemade sauces, you can make it how you like it. Next up to bat, 1 tablespoon of homemade Cajun spice mix. Check the description of the video for a list of all of the ingredients in the spice mix. Now it's time to break out the hot sauce, and you can use any hot sauce that you like. I'm using Tabasco, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Grab the Dijon mustard and add 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. Next up, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Snag the apple cider vinegar and add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Top it all off with 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice. Break out your immersion blender and stick it in, crank it up. Keep it on the bottom of the glass at first with a slight angle. Once everything starts to combine really well, you can move the immersion blender up and down to help mix everything in and get the full effect of the emulsification process. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After about 30 seconds to a minute, it really starts to thicken up to that mayonnaise type consistency. But check it out, this homemade Cajun mayonnaise, it's rich, it's thick, it has a bold, outstanding spicy flavor to it. The only thing left to do, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. Until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.